Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, several flights between Jamaica and the USA have been cancelled as winter storms continue to surge across sections of the United States. There are also concerns about the safety of Jamaicans in diaspora as another potentially deadly system affects the USA from today into midweek. Details in this report.
The USA is facing disaster-level snow for the second time in weeks, and Jamaica is feeling the effects. At the Norman Manley International Airport, multiple JetBlue Airways flights between Kingston and New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport have been cancelled. These flights stretch across 3 days, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. At Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, both JetBlue and Delta Airlines have confirmed cancellation affecting flights to and from JFK and Boston. Passengers are being urged to contact their airlines for updated flight information and rebooking options. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says the local authorities are monitoring the situation.
And as we know, during the winter, there are always dislocations in terms of flight delays and cancellations, for which both airports keep the passengers aware. So this is the second one we have had in the last 2 weeks.
In Boston, home to nearly 10,000 Jamaicans, an emergency has been declared with road closed.
Boston is no stranger to nor'easters, but this is going to be a big one. We've dealt with them before, and we're ready to work in close coordination with the state, the MBTA, our city partners, and our community members to clear our roads and keep everyone safe.
Blizzard conditions are expected to bring major disruption to other sectors in the USA, with wind gusts of up to 70 miles per hour. Heavy snowfall is expected, and there are also warnings of potential coastal flooding. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.